Welcome to Friday's Market Wrap-Up here at Wealth Creation Investing. Matthew Buckley, the Chief Investment Strategist here at WCI. And as I told my Top Gun options traders last week, I said this week's macroeconomic data would confirm whether or not we're in fact still in bizarro market or in this gray area as we exit bizarro market. Remember, I define bizarro market as good news is good news, bad news is good news, and awful news is great news. Well, this week's macroeconomic data, to put it bluntly, sucked. And the market did what? Went up. Look at today's macroeconomic data. Existing home sales, okay? Absolutely imploded, 4.62 million. And before any of you go, oh, come on, Whiz, the weather sucked, so to speak. Not even close to it. The Southwest, Arizona, California, some of these places that weren't impacted at all by weather, imploded. Same thing with the unemployment numbers. People, oh, well, January, really bad winter. It had nothing to do with that. We actually added construction jobs to the employment rolls in January. So don't give me this weather stuff, folks. So this really confirms to me that we're in bizarro market, that the market feels that the Fed isn't going to go anywhere. I mean, the market's up in non-bizarro market with that bad of a housing print, we'd be down maybe triple digits right now. Dow's up, 40 points, S&P up 5 midday here, as I'm getting ready to watch the U.S. Beat the hell out of Canada in hockey. Really good performance in our urgent alert model portfolio. On a day like today where the market's kind of wallowing around, we got grays, we got light greens, bright greens, we got some little bit of reds and some pinks. This is a hedge portfolio. Check out the performance in the past 3 weeks. Okay, this is month to date. This is February. In a very challenging month to trade, we're up nearly $13,000 on how much? On about $32,000 in haircut. That is a over 40% return in 3 weeks. That's just that's some pretty shit hot performance. So if you're interested at all, we have our options weapons school that's still kind of open, folks. You can give us a call at 888-308-2112. Okay, so make sure you give us a call because we really are in turbulent times here, from what's going on in the Ukraine with this current Cold War battle to what the Fed's doing to the president's budget request. This really made me spit out my venti upside down caramel macchiato this morning. The president's 2015 budget, okay? He's calling for an end to our, quote, era of austerity, meaning he thinks that we've been in this era of cutting spending and just unbelievable austerity measures like we're Greece or something like that. Are you kidding me? He's seeking tens of billions of dollars in fresh spending for domestic priorities while abandoning a compromise proposal to tame the national debt, in part by just trimming some Social Security benefits. God forbid. Folks, we're over $17 trillion in debt, and this guy's calling for an end to austerity and more spending. So if you don't think that we're in turbulent times and that at any moment this thing could turn on a dime and implode, you're nuts. So I'm cautiously bullish. I have one hand on my ejection handle, ready to get out of this jet if need be. And in many of our portfolios here at Top Gun Options, we've crushed it with our hedges on volatility and the market pulling back with some of those triple-digit up and down days. Just having an absolute blast trading here at Top Gun Options. So give us a call, like I said, if you're interested in finding out what we do here. 888-308-2112. Okay, have a great weekend. Happy hunting. Make sure you hedge. I'll be back with Monday's market outlook over the weekend. We'll see you.